So today's prompt is a marketing one. So the prompt we're using today is use my last 5 Google reviews. I gave it my company name so it can go find the Google reviews. If you wanted to, you could probably upload them manually, but this way it'll just search the internet, find my last 5 Google reviews, and write a customer success story highlighting how our service solved a key business challenge. So I used my own company name, and we're an IT provider. And if you see here, it kind of created a story based on our last 5 Google reviews. So it went through and kind of found some quotes that each of these people have said, resolves my issues in minutes, always answers my questions, no matter how silly. So it pulled out some quotes from specific Google reviews and then framed it in a way that it's telling a story. So this is a great way for you to create, a mini case study or a story around feedback from your customers that would make a great marketing piece for future prospects.